Ponies are wonderful animals. They are strong and smart. Ponies can learn to pull carts. This is a fun job for ponies. Imagine a beautiful day. You can ride in a cart. Your pony pulls the cart. This is a lovely way to enjoy time with your pony. Training a pony takes time. Be patient and gentle with your pony. Soon, you will be riding together. Before you begin, you need some things. First, you need a good cart. The cart must fit your pony. It must be safe and strong. Next, you need a harness. The harness goes on the pony. It helps the pony pull the cart. Make sure the harness fits well. You also need a safe place to train. A field is a good choice. Make sure the field is free of obstacles. You will need a helper for training. Start by letting your pony get used to the harness. Put it on and off a few times. Do this slowly and gently. Talk to your pony in a soothing voice. Next, introduce the cart. Let your pony sniff it. Do not force the pony near the cart. Let the pony get comfortable. Now have your helper hitch the cart to the pony. Start by walking the pony with the empty cart. Walk on the left side like you're leading the pony. Gradually, have your helper add weight to the cart. Use bags of sand or feed. Add a little weight at a time. Let the pony get used to the feeling. Always be safe when working with ponies. Never stand directly behind the cart. If the pony gets scared, it might kick. Use positive reinforcement. Reward your pony for good behavior. Give it a treat or a pat. Never hit or yell at your pony. Building trust takes time. Be patient with your pony. If you are kind and consistent, your pony will learn to pull the cart. Remember, training a pony is a journey. Enjoy the process. Soon, you and your pony will be riding in style.